That sound doesn't mean you have a broken blinker. That means you've got a light out. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. And I only just found out yesterday because some nice guy pulled up alongside of me when I was sitting at a stop sign. And he said, you know, you have a brake light out? I was like, I do? He's like, yeah, your driver's side rear brake light's out. No idea. So I'm thinking that might be why I've got the fast blinker. My 2012 F-150 not only didn't tell me that the brake light was out, but it didn't even tell me I had a bulb out anywhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake light bulb. To access the bulb and be able to pull out this entire unit, you got to disconnect the cable. So it's got a little tab here. Let me bring it in. So to take this unit out and replace the bulb, you got to remove the cable because you got a couple of screws that you got to remove. And then once you remove them, you can remove the whole unit. It's very simple to replace. But the cable here has a small tab that keeps it from sliding up so it won't accidentally slip off. So all you have to do is just lift your tailgate a little bit, pull that up off the top, and it just slides right off. And that's all you have to do there. So with the cable removed, you've got 2 bolts to take out. They're 8mm, so you just need your socket wrench. Make sure it's in the unlock position. Let's see, lefty loosey, righty tight. And you've got the 2 bolts removed. You just have to grab the housing and you're going to just pull it straight back. Could be a little tough, could be stuck in there. There you go. Just like that. And now you have 2 bulbs. You got the reverse light here, and you actually have 3 bulbs. And you got a bulb down here and a bulb up top. So I'm going to replace the top bulb first. Might need both, but I got a pack with 2 bulbs in it. So if I need to, I've got it. So what you need to do is you just turn this down, and then you can feel that it gets loose, and then you can pull the bulb right out. I'm gonna hold that up, and I'm just gonna remove the bulb here and check the filament. The filament on here actually looks good, but I'm gonna replace it with a new bulb. This is a 3157. I'm going to replace both bulbs, even if that one doesn't need it, because it's been a little while, I guess. I've owned the truck for 12 years. So this just slides back in. And do the bottom one the same way. Turn it down, and then you can just pull the thing out. This bulb actually looks brand new too. So let's take a look. This might have been the bulb I replaced previously. You know, this filament looks good too. Actually, this is the bulb. Not sure if we can get this on camera. But that coiled one right there, that's not attached to anything. So that's actually the one that needs to be replaced. Put in the new bulb in the same way. And now I'll pop both bulbs back in. There we go. That one's in. That one's in a second. There we go. And just turn them. So now to replace the housing, you got a tab here at the top and a tab here. I should say, well, I guess it's at the top. And then you got a tab here at the top. And they just line up. This one here is a hole there. And then there's another one back here. So you just line them up and then you push it back in. And now we just got to replace those screws. Now the real test is to see whether the brake light works. So I got the brake pedal being stepped on, and as you can see, the lights are working again. So it's a very simple fix, really just a couple of minutes, and it shouldn't take you too long to do it. But the real key, let's see if it actually fixed my directional. So as you can see, I got a real sketchy setup here, depressing the brake pedal. So I'm working by myself. So I'm going to turn the car on. So I'm going to turn the truck on. And now we'll try this. And the directional works. Okay, so the final step is just to put your cable back on. Just line it up, slides over, and you pull it back. And now it's reattached and won't pop off. So I'm going to save the bulb that was still good. And I'm going to throw out the old one. And that's it. So as I said, very simple fix. Something anybody can do at home. It cost me just a few dollars for the pair of bulbs. I think it was $10, maybe $8, right around there. So it's not an expensive fix. Certainly far cheaper than taking your truck to a mechanic. Okay, thanks for watching.